Hello students, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, we will discuss important multiple choice questions on value of supply topic under GST, which will be useful for your BCom exam, BMS, BAF, and the professional examination CA, CS, CMA, and other commerce students. So let us begin today's MCQ sessions on value of supply topic under GST. The first MCQ under the value of supply topic. Value of supply under GST is primarily based on dash. The options given are market value, transaction value, cost of production, and fourth option is MRP. The right answer will be B, transaction value. Reason is, as per the section 15 subsection 1, value of supply is the transaction value. That is, price actually paid or payable where supplier and recipient are not related. They are not related, and price is the sole consideration. This is the right explanation to the correct answer. The next MCQ: subsidy received. Subsidy directly linked to the price and receipt from central government shall be dash. Important thing is what? Subsidy received from whom? Subsidy received from whom? The central government. Okay. The options given here is, first option is included in the value, B, excluded from the value, C, included only if taxable. The fourth option is included partially. The correct answer is B, excluded from the value. The reason for this is, as per the section 15 subsection 2 clause E, subsidies which are directly linked to the price of included except those provided by central government should be included. If the subsidies received from the central government or state government should be excluded. That is the proper explanation of this MCQ. The next MCQ is interest for delayed payment of consideration shall be dash. The first option is excluded from the value. Second option included in the value of time of invoice. Third option included in the value of time of receipt. Fourth option not taxable. The right answer will be C, included in the value of time of receipt. Reason is given, as per the section 15 subsection 2D, the interest or the late fees, penalties for delayed payment is included in the value and taxed at the time of receipt. Okay. The next MCQ: discount given before or at the time of supply is excluded from the value if dash. The options given are, first option mentioned in invoice, second option given after the supply, third option not recorded, fourth option paid in cash. The correct answer will be A, mentioned in invoice. Reason also given, as per the section 15 subsection 3 clause A, discount given before or at the time of supply. Okay, discount which is given before or after the time of supply recorded in the invoice. If it is recorded in the invoice, will be excluded from the value of supply. Okay, that is the correct explanation or reason for this MCQ. Next MCQ: post supply discount is deductible from the value if dash. The options given are, first option A, agreed before supply and ITC reversed by recipient. Second option, given voluntarily. Third option, given in cash. And fourth option is not linked to invoice. The correct answer will be agreed before supply and ITC reversed by the recipient. Okay. Reason is given, as per the section 15 subsection 3 clause B, post supply discounts, the discount which is given after the supply, is allowed if established in agreement before the supply and recipient reverse the proportionate ITC. Okay, if the discount is given before the supply, then that must be given in the agreement. Then uh, the then agreed before supply, the ITC reversed by the recipient will be the deductible from the value of supply, right? Next, MCQ. Expenses incurred by the recipient on behalf of supplier and not included in the price shall be dash. Options given are: first option excluded, second option included in the value, C option ignored, fourth option taxed separately. The correct answer will be included in value. And the reason given is, as per the section 15 subsection 2b, any amount the supplier is liable to pay but incurred by the recipient shall be included in the value. The next MCQ. Value of supply between related persons shall be determined as per dash. The value of supply which is incurred between related person. In that case, value of supply, how it is will be determined. Options given are: A option, first option MRP, B option section 15 subsection 1, C option valuation rules, and D option cost only. The correct answer will be valuation rules. Okay, valuation rules is given, accordingly the value of supply will be determined. Correct reason is, when the supplier and recipient related persons, when they both are related, the transaction value is not accepted because the transaction value might be fluctuated. Okay, the valuation is done as per the GST valuation rules. For that purpose, a separate rules are given under GST, which is called as GST valuation rules. As per that, the value of supply will be determined for the transaction which is entered between supplier and the recipient, who are related persons. Okay, the next MCQ. Pure agent expenditure is excluded from value if dash. The options given are: first, included in the invoice; second, conditions of rule 33 are satisfied; C, paid in cash; D, below 5,000. The right answer is B, condition of rule number 33 are satisfied. The correct reason explanation is given here. Expenditure incurred as pure agent is excluded if conditions under rule number 33 of GST rules are satisfied. Then only it will be excluded. Okay. The next MCQ. Taxes other than GST charged separately by supplier shall be dash. Options given are: excluded, second option included in the value, third option ignored, fourth option taxed separately. The correct answer will be included in value. The reason is given as per section 15 subsection 2a, any taxes, duties, cess other than GST charged separately or included in value. Okay. The next MCQ. If the price is not the sole consideration, value shall be determined as per dash. Options given are: first option MRP, second option market price, third one valuation rules, fourth one cost plus 10% automatically. Okay, the correct answer will be valuation rules, where the consideration is not wholly in money, value is determined as per the GST valuation rules. Okay, so these are the MCQs, some of the MCQs on the basis on the valuation of supplier topics. I hope that this short videos on MCQ would have helped you to understand the important MCQs on the value of supply. Regular practice of MCQs will help you to improve your performance in the examinations. More such MCQ videos on GST, direct taxes, accounting, and commerce subjects will be uploaded regularly on these channels. So subscribe now the Vilasar learning channels and press the bell icon to get regular updates on important MCQs, exam questions, and concept based learnings, and score more marks in your examination. Thank you.